What's up, gift hunters? Welcome back to Quiz Heat. Get ready to dive into a whirlwind of surprises and epic reveals. This is your one and only choose your gift, red, rainbow, or white. Now hit subscribe if you're ready, and let's unwrap the fun. Round 1. Choose your dream car. Next up, choose your mirror. Choose your mega garage. Time to choose your AirPods. Choose your VR headset. What's your pick for a shopping mall? Choose your mansion. Choose your camera. Choose your factory. Which boots would you rock? Choose your popcorn bucket. Pick your refrigerator. Choose your telephone. Choose your Tamagotchi. Time to pick an RC car. Choose your mission. Choose your rocket. Choose your candy dispenser. Choose your walkie-talkie. Choose your school bus. Choose your Pokemon. Pick your Barbie dream house. Choose your monster truck. Choose your ukulele. Time to go for a smartwatch. Which one? Choose your astronaut suit. Choose your flower vase. Choose your vacuum cleaner. Next round, choose your camping set. Choose your hourglass. Choose your karaoke mic. Choose your globe. It's now time to choose your bracelet. Choose your bath bomb. Choose your superhero mask. Pick your octopus plush. Choose your night lamp. Choose your basketball hoop. Choose your beanbag. Which one's your favorite dinosaur? Choose your speaker. Which bubble gun would you pick? Choose your 3D pen. Choose your skateboard. Pick your Nintendo Switch. Choose your cauldron. Choose your blanket. Pick a teddy bear, red, rainbow, or white. Choose your doll. Choose your telescope. Choose your music box. Choose your cupcake set. Choose your gummy bear. Choose your bouncy castle. Choose your pirate treasure. Choose your magic wand. What's it gonna be? Pick your hoverboard. Choose your drone. Choose your electric guitar. Last but not the least, choose your slime kit. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.